morning to all. I am Aditi, studying 4th class. Today my project name is Generating Free Energy Using Electrolysis. The goal of this project is to demonstrate how energy can be produced through a chemical reaction and used to write a small bulb descriptions. The materials required for the project are glass, water, salt, lemon, 2 stainless steel leads, 2 copper wires, small bulb. What helps to improve the water conductivity. Now we will address lemon to the solution. Here lemon can act as an electrolyte. Next take the copper wires and connect one of the end with stainless steel leads and connect another end with terminal of the bulb. When everything is connected, you can see the electrolysis process begin. Now keep the stainless steel leads into the solution. As electricity flows through the solution, the electrolyte helps to facilitate the flow of current and the light bulb started to glow. Thank you. Tonight, Bharat studies that the experiment is built free energy water pump system without energy for aquarium. In the components used in this experiment are plastic dish, bottle, pipe, glass, white stone, etc. The free energy water pump system. It is operated without tertiary and without fuel. This process can change we can produce electricity. In this system, we can easily pump the water. It has been worked by filling the water with water. Place one end of the pipe in the bottle. On the other end, in which water will start flowing automatically as gravity pulls it down. This experiment is useful to save electricity and uses naturally principles like gravity. This is an eco-friendly experiment. Thank you for this opportunity. Good morning to everyone. My name is Myra. I am studying 4th class. Today, my topic name is Solar Power Irrigation System. Solar irrigation is developed the energy of a power. A pump will supply water to crops to help growth. It allows the present state of energy increases. This provides free energy once an initial investment is made. Irrigation is the process of supplying water to crops. Irrigation improves crops growth and quality. Irrigation improves agriculture production. The different sources of irrigation are rainfall, groundwater, surface water, etc. Solar pump works. Solar water pumps are powered by solar energy. It consists of one or more solar panels, also known as solar photovoltaic modules. A motor pump set control, electric control, or a controller to operate the pump. Thank you. Greenhouse effect is a natural process. The process keeps the earth warmer. It keeps our plant at a suitable temperature for life. Some of the gases in the earth's atmosphere about the heat which is radiated by the earth. They won't allow heat to go into space. They hold the heat and reflect is a device for pulling the air. It is a method of dissipation. It helps freezing the flow of air over the object to pull as skips are commonly placed in a tube. Morning to all, my name is Krishka. I am studying 4th class today. My topic name is hologram, a three-dimensional projection which can be seen without any special equipment such as cameras or lenses. The image can be viewed from any angle, so as the user walks around the display, the objects will appear to move and shift elastically. Data storage, main article, holographic data storage. Dynamic holographic Petzoros or biosensors activity. It uses the hologram not only offers images at different depths but also images seen along. Thank you.